This dog doesn't like having his toenails trimmed. We'll take a few minutes to counter-condition him. First, I give him treats without handling him in order to change his emotional state. Now that he's happy, we can start the desensitization and counter-conditioning. And you're just going to feel his feet while I'm giving treats.
Okay.
So go ahead. The assistant should wait until the dog's occupied with eating before she starts handling, and then stop handling right before the dog finishes the treat. This way the dog's attention is focused on the food the entire time he's being handled, which lessens the likelihood that he'll try to bite the handler. Notice that our timing is off the first several times, and then we get our teamwork down better. Our goal is to always keep the handling at the right level so the dog doesn't even seem to notice that he's being handled. After repeating one step a number of times, we move to the next step. In this case, the next step is that my assistant taps his foot with the clippers. Okay, go ahead. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. In between handling bouts, wait long enough so the dog can understand that handling equals treats and no handling equals no treats. He should be looking expectantly at you for more treats. Okay. The assistant now puts the clippers over the nail, but doesn't clip. Stop. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Okay. So you feel like you could. And finally, she clips his nails while he's getting a treat. Good. This is so fun. This is so fun. Okay. This dog doesn't even seem to notice. He's having a good experience, so on the next visit, he'll be even better. This entire counter-conditioning and toenail trim process has only taken 4 minutes.